installing Python, and additional packages. In this lecture, we are going to get our Python environment installed and ready to go. We will also discuss how to install third-party packages to your Python environment using Python's built-in package manager, which is called pip. There are quite a few ways to install Python. We are going to install a platform called Anaconda. Anaconda installs many of the tools you will need for working with data. It includes Python and many of the third-party packages that we will be using throughout these courses. To install Anaconda, we can go to anaconda.com and then navigate to the Anaconda distribution location by clicking Download Now, as shown here. Choose your operating system and system architecture. Then, choose the Python 3.7 or later version. After downloading, follow the installation instructions provided with the installer. After you have successfully installed Anaconda, open a new terminal session. Type Conda and press Enter. The output should look something like what is shown on the screen. This means that Anaconda is successfully installed. Next, type Python into the terminal. At this point, you should get something that says Python 3.7.x, similar to what is shown on the screen. This is Python via the command line. To test it out, we can type print hello world as shown here and press Enter. If everything was installed correctly, hello world should be printed to the terminal. One final thing to check is if pip is set up correctly. Pip is Python's built-in package manager. To check that pip is installed, type pip space dash capital V, as shown here. Then press Enter. This command should show you the version of pip that you have installed on your computer. It should also show you the path to where it was installed. Here you can see it was installed in my Anaconda folder, which is where I would expect. To see all of the packages that are installed on your version of Python, we can use a command called pip freeze. Just type pip freeze into the command line and press Enter. Pip should print out all of the packages that are installed. Occasionally, you will want to uninstall a package. We can do this using pip uninstall. Here we are uninstalling zip, since it is the last one shown when we ran pip freeze. Don't worry, we will show you how to reinstall it right after this. Typing in the command pip uninstall zip and pressing Enter, we can see that pip uninstalls the package. Sometimes, like shown here, we are prompted to make sure we really do want to uninstall the package, which we respond yes to and press Enter. To verify that the package is actually uninstalled, we can again run pip freeze. We can see that zip is no longer installed. All right, as promised, let's reinstall zip. As you might have guessed, pip install zip is the command that is used for this. Typing it in and pressing Enter, we see that zip starts installing. Once the installation is finished, we can again run pip freeze to check that the package was actually added to our list of installed packages, which it was. All good here. All right, that's about it. At this point, Python should be all set up on your computer, and you should be good to go to start this course.